Alrighty everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And today I would like to show you the most basic smokes for map the Nuke, or actually all smokes that everybody should actually know. But before we start, in this video I'm using my own practice config things which we can see the gradient trajectory, show impacts, flying and many more. So if you want to know how to create this kind of config, simply watch one of our previous videos. But now let's go for the smokes. Okay, first smoke is for the mid garage. For this you have to come here on this blue container, so simply come here, drop, line yourself up in the corner, and then you will aim on the top of like silo, but like right here, and just left click. And as you can see, garage is smoked. Okay, nextly I'm going to show you the wall of smokes that you can build here. So firstly I'm going to show you the first smoke here. For this you have to come here into this corner. You will stand here and then you will aim, like you can see those two dots. You will go up and like a little bit to the left. So let's say that there is the right in between, and you will go like between those two even, and at the top, and just left click. This is the first smoke. As you can see, there is no gap actually. Okay, for the second smoke you will just simply stay here to the side of this box, like there you can see this line, and then you will aim to the top right corner of this like building or whatever it is. So then just simply left click, and as you can see, second smoke is thrown, and there is just a slight gap or even no gap at all. Or another way how you can actually build this wall of smokes at outside is actually from almost this spawn. Okay, first smoke of the wall you can throw actually from the back of this car, so you will simply come here to the left side of the car, and then you will aim, as you can see here, this window, so to the left bottom corner of it, and just jump throw. As you can see, that's first smoke. Okay, and the second one is actually from here, so we will simply come here to this corner of the yellow box close to the spawn, and then you will crouch, you will aim to this like this notice, and you will go high till you will reach this like wire. So up from the notice till the wire, and here you will actually jump through the smoke. Voila. Okay, next, let's say that you want to push outside and you don't want to be killed from the garage and so on. So simply you will run and you will aim to the second part of this like fence, like here. So simply run and throw. And as you can see, it is smoked, so actually you can pick it and nobody from main who is picking or from the garage can actually see you, pick you, kill you. Okay, next, let's say that you want to smoke a main. For this you will simply come here to this beton piece of the fence. You will stay to the right one of them and right to the middle, as you can see there, this line. So stay in the middle, and then as you can see here, this part of like, I don't know, chimney or whatever it is, go above where you can see the many cables, and then you will run through. And as you can see, a main is smoked. Okay, next, let's say that you want to smoke this part of the map. For this you have to simply come here again. You will stand right in between those two, I don't know what it is, clips. So right in the middle. And then as you can see here, this pipe, so simply you will go, here is like half of it, and you will go to 3/4 of it. And then just simply left click. As you can see, it is smoked and there is actually no gap. Okay, now let's say that you want to smoke a main, but you are actually on the roof. So simply you have to come here to the corner of really close to the pipes, and then you will aim, as you can see here, this like ring and the line up. So from this you will go to the right of the like this pipe, you will hold, and then you will go backwards. And as soon as you are blocked, you will simply throw the nade. And as you can see, A main is smoked. Another way how you can actually smoke A main is from this area, what is the lobby. So first of all, you have to destroy the doors, make sure it is broken. And so when the doors are opened or broken, you can simply come here. You will aim to this like line of the main, and you will aim like into half of this. So let's say top, bot. So you will aim to the half and you will run through the smoke. As you can see, smoke dropped perfectly in the middle of main. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke A side, for example, when you want to run out from the hut. So you have to come here simply to the middle, and then you will aim like, imagine there is rectangle from this arrow like this. You will aim to the middle and then you will run through. But watch out, because when you start running you will be blocked, so we will be a little bit moved to the right side. So actually then you just have to re-aim, you know, a bit. But as you can see, the smoke on the A side, and simply you can come here, and actually the player from the side default cannot see you, so you can play then around the side properly. Okay, next smoke I'm going to show you is for A heaven. So simply you will jump here, you will come here to the corner as much as you can, and then you will find like this wall is going up, so you will go to the top till you will hit the like edge of whatever is beginning there. So you will aim there, but firstly you need to break the window. So firstly you will throw nade, and then you will throw the smoke. And as you can see, heaven is smoked. Okay, next let's say that you are in front of the ramp, you want to go B, but you don't want to be killed from the ramp or from anybody from behind the boxes, so we want to throw smoke here. So for this, simply you will come here to this, I don't know, whatever it is, to the second part. And then you will aim, like, is this cross to from the top left of those doors. So you will aim a little bit to the right side and slightly run through, like this. And as you can see, ramp is smoked, so you can safely run out, watch on the boost behind the boxes, and go. Okay, or next let's say that you want to be safe from the entrance to the ramp, so you want to throw smoke here. For this you will simply come here to this chair, right in the middle, and then you will aim on those stickers on the wall and slightly run through. As you can see, it's smoked, and you can safely run out to the ramp and kill everybody who is here. Boost, you can pick the entrance from different angle or do anything else. Okay, and now let's go for some city smoke. So first of all, let's say that you want to smoke T's to actually not enter the ramp as fast as they could. So you can simply run here and you will throw the smoke towards this wall, because as you can see, this wall is not actually, there is no right angle. So you can throw the smoke in the middle during slightly run through. As you can see, the smoke is dropping in the doors and there is actually no gaps. So the T's has to wait there, or they have to push actually through the smoke, but you know, you have the advantage here. Okay, and for example, if you want to throw smoke here to actually not be smoke so deep in this area, but actually here right in the entrance, so you can come here to the second entrance and simply will aim to the mid of this like square glass, so right in the middle and slightly run through. As you can see, entrance perfectly smoked and there are actually no gaps, so nobody can see you, your player at the ramp, or anything else. Okay, next let's say that you want to throw deep smoke to outside to actually these could not push it as fast and as easily. So you will simply come here to the corner, then you will aim like this top right of this part of building. You will aim to the right side like this, let's say between those two parts, and then you will simply run through. And as you can see, outside is deeply smoked. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke this part of outside, so simply when you will run from the city, you will come here and you will run, as you can see, the red, blue and gray box. So you will aim to the top of the gray box and actually run through. So simply you are running from the city and you will throw like this. As you can see, the mid is smoked. Or if you want, you can throw similar smoke from here. So we will come here to the corner, close to the garage. And then, as you can see here, this like here on the container, you will go up till you will hit the lowest like of the cables. So top till you will hit the cable and then just throw. As you can see, outside is again smoke and you can like safely come behind the red or hide here or whatever else you want to do. Okay, next smoke I'm going to show you is for a hut. So simply will come here up the ladder and then, as you can see, this lamp, you will go to the right from it till you will hit this place here. Actually, like it's the first line on the wall, the second line, so in between the second line and just run through. And as you can see, the A hut is smoked. Okay, and similar smoke for the A hut, you can throw actually from here again. You will come right in the middle of the ladder to the edge of this, like, I don't know, black and yellow. Then you will go like it's the lamp and whatever it is, but here and in the middle, and you will go to the first line again, and then you will run through. And as you can see, the A hut is smoked. Or simply you can come here to the corner of the heaven. And then, as you can see here, this lamp. So basically we'll aim a little bit below it and just left click. And as you can see, the A hut is again smoked. So in the end, it's on you which of those smokes you will choose. Okay, next let's say that you want to smoke Squeaky. So simply we'll come here to this corner. And then you will aim like are those two parts, so the bottom, ground and the top of the vent. You will aim in the middle and simply throw. And as you can see, perfectly smoked. Okay, next smoke is actually a one-way smoke. So when you are staying in the secret, you can come here to this corner and then you will aim to the bottom of this fence, just throw. And it's actually the one-way smoke for you, so you can peek there and they can barely see you, and you can then kill the players at the outside. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for this video. I really hope I helped you. I really hope you liked it. If you want to see more tutorial videos from Counter-Strike Global Offensive, simply hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe. We really need it. If you want to know when and what kind of new video will be released, just follow us on our Patreon. And yeah, that is really all. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.